What's going on, y'all? Alright, so today I'm going to make a tool holder for my TM1 Haas CNC mill. Why? Because I am tired of having all my tools sit right here like this. See how the tool holder is just sitting all over the place? Oh, we're going to fix that by making a tool holder that mounts on the 4 bolt holes right there. Let's get to it. All right, you're gonna want to open up SolidWorks. You're gonna go File, New, and then when it says Part, click that, and then you click OK. I already have it new, so I don't need to press it. I'm gonna look at it top plane. Then I am going to click circle because that's what I'm using. Do mind the sounds in the back. I am in the MWMSS Type 2. Click away. Green check mark. All right, click away on the circle and then press Smart Dimension, and then you are going to put the size and what you got for your tool holder. I measured it with a dial caliper. It was 1.75. You're going to go green check mark. I'm going to make another circle in the origin, which is right here. Click away, green check mark, Smart Dimension. Measure this. It's going to be 2.75. There we go. Green check mark. And you're going to go to Features, Extrude Base Boss. And I want to give it some thickness because I already measured the distance on here, which is right here. So I'm going to go with 0.75, 3/8. Green check mark. Green check mark, and now you have your piece that is going to hold your tool holder. After this video, I'm going to show you all how to make the CNC plasma part. This part right here is going to be the 3D printed part. Alright, so with that being said, I am going to click this face, right click, and sketch. It's going to bring me to the front of the face, and I'm going to click the line. Make that my construction line, and then click escape. Click here, construction, green check mark. I'm then going to click on a center rectangle, go in the center of the origin, and I'm going to go right about here. Green check mark, Smart Dimension, and the sizing for here to here is 0.65. So I'm feeling good about the length here. So if you want to measure it, you can go from left to right, but I don't need to. Okay, now I'm gonna go with Features. I'm going to Extrude Cut, and I'm gonna go down certain length, not too far. So y'all can see that. Okay, so I went about 0.44. Let's go about 0.62. Green check mark, and that's how your piece should look on the bottom. Right? And I did 0.62 because the distance from here is 0.62, but the distance from here is 0.65. All right. So now I need to make a sleeve, that way it can go into the actual holder of the CNC plasma part, which is the tray. All right, I had to pause for a bit as some customers come in, but what I did was I clicked here for 3-point arc. Then I went from here to here, which I'll show y'all. I clicked here, click here, and then you just click away and then you have it. So I'll do it just to show y'all. Click green check mark and you're good. So I'm gonna delete that so it doesn't mess up my sketch. And then I clicked line next went from here to here. Click escape and then delete that. Then I click line again, went from here to here. Green check mark. I delete that, and so not gonna do it for the rest, but you guys get the idea. Arc from here, 3-point arc from here to here. I made the line from here to here, line from here to here, arc again, line from here to here, line from here to here, closed it, and then what I did was I went to features, I clicked extruded base boss, and it gave me this figure, which I'll show y'all. That. So this is exactly what I did when I pressed extruded base boss. I went 0.62. All right, so now that you have extruded out your piece, let's get a little bit farther. You got to cut out the hole. All right. Now you can, sort of have it like this, but you see it's not deep enough. And I say that because you got to have your part sitting in there. So that's all I'm going to do is I'm going to go click here, sketch, and I am going to cut the hole out right here. So you're going to click here in the origin, right there. Go to the size of the circle, click smart dimension, size of that 1.75. Green check mark, features, extruded cut, and I'm fine with that. 0.42. Let's see what 62 looks like. All right, now that you have your extruded line, what I did was I created a smaller sketch of the outline of this. Nothing too outrageous. If you can tell, it's slightly off, but it gets what I need to do done. Or I might have said that backwards. A little late, but and out here in the field. Okay. Hold on to the 3D printer. Can you hold this for me? Or plug that in? I got it. That's good. Fresh bodies. Good minor commotion. Right there, Haas Mill 2V holder. Start print. Hour 58. Good to go. Let's see where it goes from there. Stay tuned. In motion. It's now done. Check it out. Alright, so when you're done, this is what it should look like. This part goes into the plate and your tool sits in there. Updated just slightly, but nothing from the actual program itself. All I did was just make this ring slightly thicker. But other than that, here's how it looks. Stand by for part 2 on the actual plate that has to get cut out in the CNC plasma.